Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you guys quickly here on a Savage Model 111 with the Accutrigger how to properly adjust it. It's quite easy, so I've already started this a little bit here. You're going to want to take these 3 screws out. This one here you want to watch because it's really easy to strip putting in or out. These ones here you also want to go in at about 30 inch-pounds. So I'm going to take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and lighten this up as much as I possibly can. You guys can see there's a little hole down here that it's got to go right into. So I'm going to back that off as much as I can. Which feels about right. So now we should be somewhere within the 2 or 2.5 pound range. And yeah, you can basically go ahead and bolt this back up. So there you go. That's it. Trigger should be set for your season now, or whatever you're planning to do. And should work perfectly. So yeah, that's it.